am Gagana Akula of first year BA PEGMC would like to take this golden opportunity to speak about a great woman in my view. Every woman is a great woman in my view, but I think every woman who plays the role of a mother can be categorized beyond the word great because the greatness of a mother has no limits. The word mother itself brings a bright emotion into our eyes and a warmth to our heart which cannot be described in words. While giving birth to a child, only a mother knows that it is painful. Only she knows that it is a terrible torment. Only she knows that she has the probability of cutting her womb to bring her child. Only she knows that it is almost reaching death. But she never holds a step back even at the cost of her life. She brings her child into this world with a bright smile. Along with giving her child a life, she gets a second life. Even though she faces a lot of struggles while giving birth, the moment she takes a newborn child into her hands and looks into his eyes with a bright smile, she forgets all the struggles she faced until then, and all her pain of agony turns into joyous smiles. That is the day when a child cries and a mother smiles. By just imagining that moment, I get goosebumps. Nobody in this world can take care of anybody as a mother takes care of her children. Caring of a mother remains unchanged. From the moment you were born, grown up, study, settle, have a family, and even until she reaches the gates of death, she never stops taking care of you. The way she treated you and cared for you when you were a child, she treats and cares the same way even when you have a child. That is the nature of mother's care. She holds all the strands of a family into a united bunch of a strong bond. In this aspect, let me take the liberty to speak about my mother. My mother, along with being a mother, she becomes my best friend and my sister when I am in need of a company to share. We talk with each other, we laugh together, we fight with each other, we struggle together. I never hold any secrets with my mother because I tell each and everything happening in my life. Nothing in this world is regarded as my top priority because my mother is the only priority in my life. She gave me this life, she is my life. Let me conclude this emotional track of words by sharing my view of a great woman. When a woman steps into a society, she treats all the children as her own children. This is the greatness of a woman. It is just a line by hearing, but we will feel it deeper when you experience it. Thank you so much for giving me this golden opportunity to express my views open-heartedly, and wish you all a very happy International Women's Day. Thank you.